Good morning, massage nerds. I want to invite you guys to our first premiere in over a year. Finally got a video that's worthy of a premiere. I'm excited. It's going to be tomorrow, July 9th at 7 o'clock Pacific, 8 o'clock Mountain, 10 o'clock Eastern Time. And it's full body Swedish massage. I also incorporated some sugar scrub, and it's also ASMR / with music. It's no talking, and I'm really excited and would really like your feedback. So join me for that premiere tomorrow, July 9th, Friday evening. Set your notifications button if you haven't done that already, because my videos are starting to come out more often now, and with a videographer, so they're going to be better quality, guys. So thank you for your support. I look forward to the comments with you guys. Thank you in advance. Until the next time, create a great day.